This recording is for the students who couldn't understand yesterday's Zoom meeting because of lots of disturbances. So again I'm going to take the topic nouns, but from this very topic I will start from straight away from possessive and the plural nouns. So possessive, and plural nouns. These both are not same, they are different from one another. First let's take the topic possessive noun. You know what is the meaning of possessive? Possessive means telling something about a thing or about a person or anybody's belongings, that this belongs to me. Okay, if I'm telling you that this doll belongs to me, it means this is a possessive noun which shows this indicates this sentence indicates that this doll is belonging to me. This means this doll is mine. कहने का मतलब ये है, पॉजिटिव नाउन वो नाउन है जो कि आपको बताता है कि कोई चीज़ जो है ये मेरी है, मुझसे रिलेटेड है. जैसे मैंने बोला दिस डॉल इज माइन, इट मीन्स ये डॉल मेरी है. सो माइन इज व्हाट हियर? पॉजिटिव नाउन. ओके, इफ आई से दिस डॉल बिलोंग्स टू मी, दिस इज आल्सो बिलोंग्स is also a possessive noun, but when we are converting into noun, belongs changes into mine. ठीक है, belongs to me, belongs to you. Instead of using belong, I say mine, theirs, hers, ours, his. तो क्या बन जाता है वो? possessive noun, जो ये बताता है कि ये चीज़ मेरी है, नहीं तो किसी और की है. possessive means in possession. Possession means something which is in your hands or which is in your control. That means possession. So this possessive word has been derived from the possession word, which means having something in your hand or which is in control of yours, or it is belonging to somebody else, or it's in control of theirs. For example, if I say this car is of Ravi. Okay, this is a simple statement. When I have to change into possessive noun, I will say this is Ravi's car. What I will do? Ravi's car. And how will you distinguish between possessive noun and plural nouns? Because in plural noun what we use s there also, and we use s here also. ओके बेटा, s हम जो है दोनों तरफ से जो है यूज करते हैं. प्लूरल नाउन में भी हम लोग s यूज करते हैं, पॉजिटिव में भी हम s यूज कर रहे हैं. इन बोथ वी आर यूजिंग s. इन प्लूरल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई से बॉयज. दीज बॉयज आर वेरी नोटोरियस इन माई क्लास. दीज गर्ल्स आर वेरी शार्प इन माई क्लास. ठीक है, सो गर्ल्स, boys, these are also plural nouns and both are having s word. But what is the distinguishing thing between this s and that s? This is possessive s. How you will discriminate? कैसे डिफरेंस पता चलेगा? यहाँ पे s से पहले apostrophe लग रहा है. It means in possessive noun before s there is a apostrophe. Okay, that is why it becomes Ravi's car. Otherwise what it will become? This is Ravi's car. मतलब बहुत सारे रवियों की कार है. बहुत सारे रवियाँ तो नहीं होते ना, एक ही रवि होता है. तो हम क्या कह रहे हैं? दिस इज रवीज कार, यानी कि रवि की कार है, क्योंकि इससे एस से पहले अपोस्ट्रोफी आ रहा है. नंबर 1 डिफरेंस. ठीक है, ये है पॉजिटिव नाउन और प्लूरल नाउन के बीच में डिफरेंस. दिस इज रवीज कार. दिस इज माई नेम इज शीना, सो आई विल से व्हाट? दिस इज शीनाज डॉल. दिस इज शीनाज डॉल, यानी कि यहाँ पे एस से पहले, यानी कि मैं बोल रही हूँ कि ये शीना की डॉल है, ये रवि की कार है. ठीक है, इज दैट क्लियर? तो दिस इज व्हाट? पॉजिटिव नाउन, दिस इज शीनास डॉल, दिस इज रवीज कार, यानी यहाँ पे एस से पहले अपोस्ट्रोफी आ रहा है, यानी कौन सा बन जाएगा, पॉजेसिव नाउन. ओके, नाउ जंपिंग टू व्हाट, प्लूरल नाउन्स. Plural nouns means, which means more than one. That is what meaning of plural is. Which means more than one. It means there may be one or more nouns in, more than one nouns in that sentences. It means more than one noun will be there in the sentences. Okay, for example, I say these boys are playing in the garden. Okay, these boys are playing in the garden. It means more than one boy is playing in the garden. And you know, this is a normal thing that when we are using the plural nouns, this this, this will not be there, because if there is only one boy, then I will say that this boy is playing in the garden. But this is plural sentence, so what it will come, these boys, ये सारे लड़के गार्डन में, बगीचे में खेल रहे हैं. ठीक है, these boys are playing in the garden, so it will be changed into are. This is a present continuous sentence, so it will come playing, क्योंकि अभी चल रहा है, हो रहा है, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, these boys. So main thing क्या है plural nouns में, more than one noun is used. Instead of boy, what is used, boys. And with the plural, what you will use, these, these boys. And plural thing is coming, so are playing in the garden, क्योंकि वो भी खेल रहे हैं, ये चल रहा है, इसलिए playing in the garden. Is that clear? So these boys are playing in the garden. Now next, so this is what, plural. And any one example we can say, girls are studying in the class. लड़कियां पढ़ रही हैं क्लास में. लड़कियां यानी एक लड़की नहीं, बहुत सारी लड़कियां पढ़ रही हैं. more than one girl is studying in the class. So which noun will be used, plural noun, which is girls. So which are the plural nouns in both these sentences, these boys are playing in the garden and girls are studying in the class. इनमें से plural noun कौन सा है, which is a plural noun here, that is boys, because more than one noun is used, and girls. Okay, now next, so this was possessive noun and the plural noun. So what was possessive noun? Possessive noun means which tells that this thing or that person or that relation belongs to me. यानी कोई भी चीज, जैसे कि मैं बोलूंगी this is my mother's car key. ठीक है, ये मेरी मम्मी की कार की चाबी है, यानी कि वो मदर किसकी हुई, मेरी है, यानी वो मेरे रिलेशन में है, तो वो उनकी कार की है. ठीक है, तो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, दिस इज माई मम्मीज कार की, या दिस इज माई मदर्स कार की, यानी ये मेरी नहीं है लेकिन मेरे रिलेशन में, मेरी मम्मी है तो मेरे रिलेशन में है. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया, पॉजेसिव नाउन, मदर्स, यानी कि एस से पहले कॉमा लगेगा. सो इन योर एक्सरसाइज, पॉजेसिव नाउन इज देयर इन योर रीडर बुक, not in your grammar book but in your reader book, page number 22. So possessive noun is there and the plural noun is there, so you must know the distinguishing thing between them. For example, one question we will discuss from your reader. The first question is, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma I am leaving the space for dash. Birthday. Is celebrated on 2nd October. Okay, and in bracket there is given Gandhi. So here what will come? Mahatma dash birthday is celebrated on 2nd October, and what you will have to fill? You will have to fill here possessive noun. So Gandhi is a noun. How you will change into possessive noun? I said in possessive noun before S what comes? Apostrophe. It means Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is celebrated on 2nd October. So what you will write here? Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. Is that clear? It means before S what we are, if we put apostrophe, that becomes what? Possessive noun. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is celebrated on 2nd October. So Gandhi is what? A singular noun. You cannot change into many Gandhis. Mahatma Gandhi was only one in our nation, the freedom fighter. Okay, so Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is celebrated on 2nd October. Is that clear? It means before S apostrophe, if it comes, then it becomes what? Gandhi's. That is possessive noun. Now second was second is my. So you came to know about plural noun, and one we will take the example of plural nouns. Okay, we have 2 holiday. Now it is 2. ठीक है, सेंटेंस में क्या है? 2. 2 means more than 1. It means it is plural. So is this sentence correct? It is wrong because this is what? Plural. So what will come here? Holidays. And in plural thing, what it is there in your book, that in plural after S the apostrophe is used, then it becomes plural. This is the basic difference between the possessive noun and the plural noun. In possessive noun, before S apostrophe is used, that becomes the possessive noun. It means it becomes the relationship of, जैसे कि हम हिंदी में बोलते का, के, की, इसका, उसका, ये उसकी है, ये मेरी है. ठीक है. So this is the distinguishing thing between in possessive noun S से पहले apostrophe लग रहा है, and then in plural noun what it is? Holidays. That is after S apostrophe is used, that becomes plural. So we have 2 holidays. Is that clear? So this was to be that is discussed in yesterday's Zoom class, but something, whatever the indiscipline thing caused by some students. Anyways, so this is the recorded lecture for those students who wanted to listen but couldn't listen. Okay. Now next I will be sending you the revision clip, but this was for the yesterday's work. Okay. So any question you can just ask me in the WhatsApp. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.